What's going on, guys? Clayton coming at you again from Two-Way Direct. Today we're going to be talking about the two-wire earpieces specifically for security teams. Now, what makes these so great is the fact that it's actually an in-ear earpiece. So the communication won't be heard outside of the earpiece, and it'll stay discreet. The clear coil gives it the ability to blend in behind the ear without anyone being able to see it. The two-wire means that the push piece is actually going to be on a separate wire. So you can put it down your sleeve if you want so that it can be discreet, or just pin it to your lapel. One of the great things about the two-wire as well is the fact that you just twist right here, pull out, and you have your own earpiece. That way you're not having to share and cross-contaminate, things of that nature. We have multiple different connectors for all the styles of radios out there. Visit our website at twowaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893 and let us help you outfit your team with the exact earpieces for your needs. Talk to you guys soon.